What is a wand vibrator? A wand vibrator is a fantastic vibrator you can use either alone or as couples as well. There are lots of different sizes available, so what are they actually used for? Very good question. A wand vibrator you can use with lots of different multi-stimulation parts. For example, you could stimulate the nipples, the erogenous zones, external parts of your body, or most commonly, the clitoris. Hence why it's great to use as couples, but you can also use them as body massage as well. So it's great to use in combination with a warming lubricant as well. Most of them have a soft, flexible head, meaning it's really easy to get to those fun pinpoint stimulation zones. They also feature fun vibrations as well, stimulating sensitivity, especially in the nipples and clitoris. Or perhaps you might decide to go for a big wand vibrator, and these are great for big body massages as well. So always make sure to pick the right one for you, whether it's for stimulation or for relaxing body massages. And that is a wand vibrator.